On a Sunday here at the JW USA in Minnesota. Check this out, guys. Look at this. See, I'm just eating one of the fruits. I have a fork with me and really want to eat this pepper. Guys, let me show you what kind of pepper is this. These are all something new. It's called a jungle parrot. See that? It's a sweet pepper proven jungle parrot. So guys, I never had this before, and it's gonna be the first day we're gonna sample this, or maybe we know if we're gonna harvest them today. These are all the peppers here. See them? They're getting all ripe. Red. Look at them. It's just too beautiful. So I decided to show you guys. I have some green, a lot of them here. So it's kind of heavy with the wind here. You have to make sure it's sitting up properly. Let me show you other thing again from the deck here. There it goes. The tomatoes. These are hybrids as well, and I already sampled a few of them. Tastes like an apple. It's really cool. And we have a sticker right here. We're gonna check one. What's the name of them? I never grew this one either. There you go. Get this thing focused well. Primo tomato, and it tells you the climatic condition or the sun or whatever. Full sun 2436 to 60 centimeters apart. Tells you exactly what it is. So these are the tomatoes, and never grew this before. And the plant is not doing well. For some reason, I think after each harvest or something, maybe they're gonna die or something. I don't think I can able to recycle this for next year for some reason. I don't know, but seems like it's a good tomato. Look at this one. It's 2 in 1. Huh? Look at this. Awesome. It's 2 of them here. So guys, the I don't know which one is which, but I had the smaller ones, then I have the big ones. These are like cherries, like they look like that, but it's small and they're really nice. This was the one I've been eating. These little ones, just like eating an apple, as I can describe them. So I will take you again to the other side of the house. This from the outside veranda or the deck. Here we are on the other side of the house. You guys know this place. It's a lot of peppers we have here, guys. A lot of them. These are bell peppers. These are all hybrid mode version. I never had a purple one before. So these are kind of like purple. And we had a sticker right here. And let's find out. So this one is a sweet pepper. Called Wonder, I think it's called. So there's another one here, which is the California Wonder. I think that was abbreviated over there on this one. California Wonder Yellow. Yeah. So some of you guys wonder why I had the rocks here, because the wind is so heavy. Remember, if you go back to my garden videos, I was making videos while the squirrels invaded my stuff. But we don't have squirrels anymore because we we passed that level. They learned their lesson from Carolina Reaper. Well, here is, I think, it's the sun, because this other side of the house is really, really hot. When it comes to the 12, 1 o'clock going to 2, the sun sets this end right here. So we're plenty sun, and plus the concretes here is to generate 2 times the heat. So these are the peppers here. You see this purple, but it's getting ripe. So that's the problem I have. I've seen that the past years, not last year because COVID time I didn't do anything. And these are all the peppers, a lot of peppers here. And we have other ones here. I think it's ghost butt. This, what's that? Yeah, the ghost shilonko, whatever it is. Shilonko, Julunker, yeah. So these are all kind of neat peppers that we have here. So just want to show you some plenty peppers hiding all different areas. A lot of them, the big leaves, and I'm so thankful and grateful for all this. And it's a rough time we have right now, but anyway, the plants are coping up, and we do whatever we want to do here at GW Solar USA. At least we got an harvest. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Bye for now.